Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio of your photos on the Samsung Galaxy A3. To change the aspect ratio, you have to go into Camera. Here, tap on the Settings button, and then Picture Size. Once in there, you will see a list of aspect ratios. Be sure to notice that each of them has two quality options. The higher the numbers, the higher the quality. You can do the same for videos. The options for the rear camera are separate from the front camera. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.